Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Aeolon Watch Curve 3 smartwatch. And on this video, we are going to connect it with its support app. So this smartwatch do have an application that is available on Android and iOS. But on this video, we are going to pair it with a Android smartphone. So if you are interested to know on how to pair it or connect it with its support app, watch this video. And if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Alright, so let's begin and pair our Watch Curve 3 smartwatch with the support app. So let's check it first if we do have the details here for the application. Okay, we don't have it here. Yes, we do have the QR code. Okay, on our previous video, we stated that this smartwatch is using the JU Pro app. But let's make it sure. Let's check. Let's scan the QR code here. I have a QR code scanner. So let's check. Open. We have a website here. So we are using the Aeolon Curve 3 or the Aeolon Curve 3, and we'll pair it with our Android smartphone. So we'll pick the Android here, and as you can see, we do have the JU Pro fitness tracker. So let's install the app. It will download the application automatically, and of course it will also install it in our Android smartphone. So let's tap on install. Let's wait for the completion of download. So it is pending now. Let's wait. So just 13.51 MB, very lightweight app for our Curve 3 smartwatch. So 41%, 61. It's almost complete now, and as you can see, it's now installing. Okay, installation complete. Let's open the JU Pro app. So let's open the app. Let's put this on the side first. So let's open the application for our Curve 3 smartwatch. Tap on open. JU Pro, and we have here the dashboard loaded right away. We have home, exercise device, and me. Tap on device. Scan for the smartwatch. Just allow the permission, confirm. And we have here the Wafit Metro 2 and the Aeolon or Aeolon Curve 3. Please take note that we already activated our Bluetooth. So we have here the smartwatch, the Curve 3. So let's select this one. And seems like we are already paired. So we have here the permission for notifications. We'll allow it. Okay, allow. Bluetooth pairing request. Okay, are we connected? Let's see. So disconnect the device. SMS notifications. Well, let's activate. Allow the notification permission for the app. Look for the JU Pro. Then allow it. Go back. Incoming call notifications. Allow it also if you want to activate the Bluetooth call. Phone calls. Are we connected? Let's go back first. Home, device. Okay, more settings. Device search. And yes, we are connected. Okay. Then time format, let's set 12-hour clock. Okay, add numbers, frequent contacts, tap on the plus sign, select the number, another one, then let's go back. Let's see, is it here? Connect, contact person, and we have here the numbers. So that's it. Very easy to pair with the JU Pro app for our Watch Curve 3 smartwatch. Message notifications. Let's activate some of the apps here. Viber, WhatsApp application, and that's it. Go back. What else do we have here? Medicine reminder, more settings. Automatic heart rate, will not enable this. Seems like everything is set for our Aelon Curve 3 smartwatch. So very easy to set up for your smartphone. So if you have any questions regarding the tutorial, drop a comment below. And as you can see here, we paired our smartwatch successfully with the JU Pro app. Again, if you have any questions, drop a comment below, and of course, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.